Okay, ma. Hi, students. Good morning, everybody. In this class, we have to see harmonic conjugate functions. Okay. The first problem is show that the function u 2xy plus 3y is harmonic and find harmonic conjugate. So the given function is u, which is 2xy plus 3y. First question, show that this function is harmonic. Then second question is find its harmonic conjugate. Its harmonic conjugate means v. Okay, first we show that u is harmonic, then find v function. Okay, dou u by dou, here we have given the function is this, dou u by dou x with respect to x derivative is, come on, with respect to x derivative means keep y constant, 2y constant, x derivative is 1. So dou u by dou x is 2y. Similarly, dou u by dou y with respect to y derivative. With respect to y derivative, x constant. So with respect to y derivative, 2 is constant, x is constant, y derivative is 1. So the first term is 2x plus 3, y derivative means 1. So 2x plus 3. So these are dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Now we find the second derivatives. Differentiate this dou u by dou x is equal to 2y on both sides with respect to x partially. We get dou square u by dou x square is equal to, with respect to x kabatti 2y constant avutundi, its derivative with respect to x is 0. So dou square u by dou x square is 0. Then this is dou u by dou y. Differentiate on both sides with respect to y partially. You get LHS is second derivative of y u kabatti dou square u by dou y square, which is equal to, there is no y term, so x is constant, 2, 3 are constant, so you get 0. Now here from these two derivatives, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. That means it satisfies, u satisfies Laplace equation and ardhamamma idi. So u is harmonic conjugate. Very sorry, u is harmonic function because u satisfies this equation. Now what is the next part? Find the v value. Now we have, this is the formula. Okay ma, now this is the formula, dv is equal to dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy. Okay ma, here by CR equations, dou u by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou y is dou u by dou x, because we have given u function and we know what are the dou u by dou y and dou u by dou x. See here, this is dou u by dou x, this is dou u by dou y. So in terms of, you write this derivative of v in terms of uy. Already we know these values. Substitute this dou u by dou y, which is 2x plus 3, and here substitute dou u by dou x, which is 2y. Now we have dv is equal to minus of 2x plus 3 dx plus 2y dy. Then we see the next different, this is the derivative of v ma. Integrate on both sides, we get v is equal to integration of these values. Okay, see the next one. Okay ma, dv is this value, then on integration we get integral dv means v is equal to integral of first term plus integral of second term. Minus is common, bring outside. Integral x dx means x square by 2 plus 3 constant, integral dx means x, plus, see the second one, 2 constant, integral y dy means y square by 2. Now cancel these 2 in the first term and also in this term, 2 cancel. We get v is equal to minus 2 cancel, after that x square is there, minus 3x, here 2 cancel, y square plus c. Now this is the, v is the harmonic conjugate of given function u. Okay, first part is we have to, we showed that u is harmonic, and second part is find v function, which is harmonic conjugate of u. See here, this is the formula which we have used here. dv is dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy. In place of dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, by CR equations you put minus dou u by dou y and dou u by dou x. Already we know these two values. That's why change these v terms into u terms and substitute this value, we get dv. On integration we get v value, which is harmonic conjugate of u function. Okay ma?